I'm Josh, and today I'm going to show you how to make paste and base-free tikka masala and chicken tikka from scratch. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. A full list of all the ingredients for the dish can be found in the description below. To begin, let's make the tikka marinade and tikka masala base. This is the sauce to use both for chicken tikka and in your tikka masala curry. In a bowl, add around 500 ml of plain yoghurt and 20 ml of vegetable oil. Sprinkle over 1 teaspoon of garlic and chilli powder, half a teaspoon of ginger and coriander powder, as well as a quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, paprika and salt. Add half a teaspoon of mint sauce along with an optional quarter teaspoon of tamarind paste and the juice of 1 small lemon. Finally, add a quarter teaspoon of red colouring if using, then mix well to combine. This marinade will last 2 to 3 days in the refrigerator or seal in freezer bags for use at a later date. To marinate meat, simply cut the meat into chunks, cover with some of the marinade, then refrigerate for between 24 to 48 hours. Cook on high under the grill or on the barbecue, in a tandoor or air fryer. Each tikka masala curry dish requires 4 tablespoons of this paste, so let's use it to make our tikka masala curry itself. To begin, heat a pan on medium and add 3 tablespoons of oil. Once hot, add a medium finely chopped or blended onion, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and half a teaspoon of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi. Stir through and fry for a couple of minutes to gently soften. Sprinkle over a quarter teaspoon of coriander powder, a quarter teaspoon of cumin powder, a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder and continue to fry for a further minute. Now add the 3 tablespoons of coconut powder and 2 tablespoons of ground almonds and mix through. Add a little hot water at any time if things looking a little dry. Continue to cook for a minute or two, adding a little water at any time to keep it from drying out. Stir in 4 tablespoons of the tikka paste and allow to cook for a minute before adding around 100 ml of hot water and 1.5 tablespoons of sugar. Allow to simmer for a minute before adding the remaining 100 ml of hot water and a quarter teaspoon of red food colouring if using. If you don't want the bright red colour or don't like the idea of the dyes, that's fine. It won't alter the taste at all, so simply leave it out. Allow to simmer for a couple of minutes to reduce slightly before slowly adding around 75 ml of cream, stirring constantly. Time to add your choice of protein. So add 6 to 8 pieces of meat, vegetables, paneer or tofu. Here I'm adding chicken that I've marinated in the tikka paste for 24 hours and cooked for about 10 minutes in the air fryer. Continue to reduce for around 5 minutes and serve when the sauce reaches your desired consistency and when the meat is cooked through if using raw meat. Please remember to like, comment and subscribe and check out this and many more recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.